Good posture, Bob.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, the reason we're talking about posture, we're going to show you the best 1-minute exercise for perfect posture. And what's cool is you can do this anywhere.
And it's true.
Anywhere they have a wall.
And this is true. I mean, we just discussed why this is the best exercise. It only takes a minute, and you really, literally can do it anywhere.
Right, because even if you're outside, you can do it against a tree.
Right. You do have to be standing for it, though. You can't do it in a chair.
All right.
All right.
Well,
So, Bob.
we've qualified that. By the way, if you are new to our
yes.
channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free. We upload every day. And Brad's going to go ahead and also show you, if you want to like us on Facebook, you want to go to Bob and Brad. We are going to be doing a giveaway, I promise. It's going to be a 7-week giveaway. We're going to do a prize a week.
Then it's good all before Christmas or Thanksgiving.
Yeah, before Christmas, and it's going to be cool stuff.
It is.
Stuff.
Yeah, it's just not little trinket toys or those like little giveaway things at McDonald's.
Trinkets?
You know, the little things when you
Yeah,
get them.
right. The Happy Meals?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It'll be better than that.
Well, should we get on with
Yeah,
that?
let's get on with it.
So,
Okay.
posture. We're talking about posture. As therapists, we're thinking, what are the muscle groups that consistently cause bad
Give you trouble.
posture?
Yeah.
It's muscles in the front of the chest, pulling the shoulders forward, the neck coming forward. And this is a big one that a lot of people don't think about, the hip flexors, because if they're
Yep.
tight, they pull your
They're
trunk
pulling you over,
forward.
yep.
Yep, and there you go. You have that old man, quote unquote, old man or old woman posture, and it makes you look older. Your body does not function as well. Back
starting
pain,
to hurt
shoulder,
already.
neck pain, it all comes together. So,
Well, I can even add to that, Brad. You know, we're talking about those 3 areas, but it's also just your back itself that pulls your back into a rounded out position.
there you go.
So we want the back to straighten up and even maybe go the other way a little bit.
We want that healthy lower doses, that low
Yeah.
back arch. So this exercise does all of it. It stretches the hip flexors, it stretches the anterior, the front of the chest, and it puts the neck and the head in the proper position.
I thought you were going to say lower back. You said lower doses.
Oh, oh lordy.
Oh, lordy.
Okay, so this
All
is
right.
it. All you need is a wall, and you need to be standing. Put your hands up on the wall. Whoa, back off.
Yeah.
Like this. And then you're going to take your right hand. Now you can do a thumb like this and hitchhike if you want. One
So
way
you're
or
going to be
another.
about, what would you say, about 2.5 feet, 3 feet away?
Well, for tall guys like
to
Bob,
make-
about 3 feet. If you're shorter, maybe 1.5 feet, 2 foot. But you're kind of leaning into the wall, not too much. Let's start with the right hand, Bob.
Okay.
Take your right hand and you're going to bring it back like this.
I'm already hitting this thing right here.
Well, we got to cut that out next time. Then at the same time, you're going to do a chin tuck. So the arm, one arm goes back and the chin tuck comes in, and at the same time, the opposite leg, if the right arm's going back, extending, the left hip is going back, but you're not going to bend the knee. It's a straight kick with that leg. And go ahead, Bob.
This actually takes a little bit of coordination to start off
Yep,
with.
it does. You're going to have to practice a little bit, especially Bob. Anyways, so he's working muscles here. Bob's got the chin tuck, getting the head and the neck lined properly, working all these muscles in the posterior aspect of the shoulder, the hip. Everything is doing exactly of the 3 modes we just discussed.
It's harder than you think.
And it is. So I'm going to suggest 10 repetitions on one side and do them like we're doing. Don't whip them off fast.
Oh, yeah, you want to do them deliberately.
Right, with meaning.
With the
With
muscle,
meaning.
and thinking about the muscles contracting back there. I mean, you want to think about the shoulder blades
Right.
working.
You will feel fatigue muscles here. You will feel fatigue muscles in the hip, and you'll feel a little stretch in the front. So again, 10 with the right and the left leg, 10 with the left arm going back and the
And I
left
would
leg.
probably do them in a row, wouldn't you, Brad?
Yes.
I wouldn't go like this and then like this. No, you know, fatigue the one side.
Right.
Make it work.
Right. And I mean, when you get done, you're going to feel things pull back. You're going to feel that residual. There's a little bonus exercise is what you can do is just do the touchdown thing.
Oh, sure.
And chin tuck in, and you know, it's football season now. If you're a football fan, it makes it a little easier, whoever does this, but that you can do anywhere. If you're walking down the sidewalk in New York on rush hour sidewalk, you know, throw a couple of touchdowns in there and, you know, see how people react.
Well, if you're cheering for the Packers, you could go like, this is a field goal, but it misses. It misses.
Unfortunately, there was a record set for missed field goals recently.
If you want to make it a little harder, you could add weights, right, Brad?
Well, you could.
I mean, you could add cuff weights, and lean forward, and you could have a cuff weight on the arm and a cuff weight on the leg.
Right.
If you want to make it tougher.
Right. That would be for the people who want to go that extra mile. I don't think it's necessary. You're still going to get the benefits from it. So,
and the nice thing about this is that you don't need equipment.
Right.
I mean, that you can just, and you can do it. You have no excuses now.
Right.
You have to,
at home, in the morning before you go to work, at work if you're in the office.
Yeah.
The only people that have a hard time with this is if you're driving. If you're a truck driver, but then you got to get out to eat in the restaurant or,
lean against your truck.
The diner. There you go, right before you get in and out of the truck. This is going to be big, Bob. People are going to be doing this across the country.
We got a viral video coming
There you go.
Thanks for watching.